The Irish Maid. It's cooling, fresh and floral. It's not Mrs. O'Reilly next door telling off her kids for not cleaning their bedrooms. The ingredient lineup: Irish whiskey, my kryptonite, Saint Germain or any other elderflower liqueur of your choice, simple syrup, cucumber and fresh lemon juice. Let's start this off by muddling 2 slices of cucumber in your shaker. And I've never seen the hype about cucumber. It's alright in tzatziki with a kebab, but it's like the BTEC or sideshow vegetables. In cocktails or drinks, it works exceedingly well though. Then add 2 ounces, that's 60ml of an Irish whiskey of your choice. Then add half an ounce, 15ml of Saint Germain, and make sure you put this in the fridge after you use it. Then 3/4 of an ounce, that's 22.5ml of simple syrup. And lastly, 3/4 of an ounce, 22.5ml of fresh lemon juice. Add ice to your shaker and shake for 10 to 13 seconds. A quick history: this drink was created by Jack McGarry at the Dead Rabbit Bar in New York, and it's a riff on Sam Ross's Kentucky Maid. Add some ice cubes to a double rocks glass. Double strain the contents of your tin. This is important as you don't want any bits of obliterated cucumber floating around. And finally, garnish this with a cucumber slice, which frustratingly won't balance for me here. The taste test. I was pleasantly surprised at this drink. The Saint Germain works really well and isn't bullying the other ingredients. The whiskey has a smooth presence and the cucumber makes it cooling. So this is a great whiskey cocktail to have, especially when the sun is out. Give the subscribe button a good dry slap and most will enjoy, and have a couple more and behave yourselves.